Christina Hoffmeyer from the RE/MAX Select Realty Christina Hoffmeyer team. Today's post is all about appraisals. So I get asked a lot, what is an appraisal and why do I need one? Well, an appraisal in its simplest form is a third-party company or individual who comes out and evaluates the home that you're looking to purchase or refinance to determine its value compared to other homes that have recently sold within the market. This person's responsibility is to ensure that you are purchasing a home either at or below its current value. That's it in its simplest terms. It does get a little bit more complicated than that, but we'll keep it simple for this episode. An appraiser may also come out if you're getting an FHA, VA, USDA, PHFA type of loan program that needs to meet the minimum HUD required guidelines. So, what are HUD required guidelines, you ask? These are certain conditions within the home that they want to make sure are there or not there to ensure that the home is sound and safe. Examples of these would be peeling and chipping paint if the home was built before 1978, a drip leg on a hot water tank, a handrail going up and down the steps, and the condition of the roof to make sure you've got at least 5 good usable years left on there. So your lender doesn't want you to buy something and live in something that you could potentially get hurt living in. So understand that when you have to have a HUD inspection and appraisal, this is for your own safety. The appraisers are highly trained and skilled at looking for these items and determining the value of the home. The appraisal process is for your benefit. Even if you're buying cash, is it a good idea to get an appraisal? Well, yes, especially if you want to know that you're buying the home for its value or below. So sometimes if you're buying with cash, the appraisal may come in low and it may change your mind on whether you want to purchase it or not, especially if you're buying a home for investment purposes.
Peeling and chipping paint is one of the most commonly noted items on an appraisal for houses built before 1978. If this is found, your lender may make it a condition of your loan to have those areas scraped and painted by either yourself or a qualified contractor. Damaged, worn, or missing shingles is also another common repair item that comes up on an appraisal, and the lender can make this a condition of your closing that those items be repaired to ensure that you don't have roof leaks in the coming months as you move in. A common electrical repair that is often noted by appraisers is a GFCI outlet. This outlet must be installed anywhere where an outlet is placed 6 foot by a water source. Most common areas are kitchens, baths, and laundry rooms. You will want to ensure that the house you are buying or the home that you are selling has handrails installed anywhere where there are 3 or more steps on the inside or the outside of the home. This is for the safety of the person going down the stairs to ensure they do not trip. In the mechanical room or basement, the appraiser will check the drip leg on the hot water tank to see if it is properly installed, and they will also take a look at the electrical panel. The electrical panel must have all knockouts covered with circuit breakers, and the panel must be securely placed on top of the panel box to ensure the safety of the consumer. In addition to these items, smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors may also be required in the home, in the kitchen, basement, as well as sleeping areas. Your appraiser will also look for items like mold, mildew, rust on appliances, pests, and termites that may be infiltrating the home. Let's talk about garages. The appraiser may note on attached garages whether a fire-rated garage door is installed between the garage space and the main living space. This is for the protection of the consumer. He or she may also note whether there is fire-rated drywall covering the attached area as well as the ceiling. Know that even though this list seems very lengthy, the appraiser is there for the consumer's protection to ensure the safety of the home.
Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions about the appraisal process at any time, feel free to call one of our staff members. We would be more than happy to review the appraisal process with you one-on-one and answer any questions that you may have. Thanks again. Until next time.